This is a demonstration of how to install a wood traversing system. You'll receive your track, your wood pole, and your brackets. The first step is to make marks on your wood pole in the desired location of your brackets. So take your first bracket, place it about an inch away from your end cap, and make a mark in the screw hole. Now do the same on the other side. We're only using 2 brackets in this demonstration, but repeat this step for any additional brackets you have. Now take a tape measure and measure the distance between your brackets. And now you're ready to begin the installation. At the installation location, we'll make marks to plot out the spacing of our brackets. Use a tape measure to make sure the marks are in the correct location. They have to be in the same location as they were on the wood pole. And also use a level when you're making your marks. And now you're ready to mount your brackets on the marks. Once you have the brackets mounted, it's time to mount the pole. You'll take your wood and lay your marks that you made on top of the brackets. And make sure that the marks line up with the screw holes in the brackets. Now once everything's lined up, you can go ahead and screw the brackets into the wood pole. And now take your track and line up the lip on top of your track with the lips on the front of your brackets. And push up and snap it into place. This has been the installation of a Forrest wood traversing system.